And the 12-week year, like we got everything dialed in now. I hope y'all see it. Like we got every one of us that's focused just on the next 90 days are dialed in. That's all we're doing is what we should be doing for the next 90 days. What the average person does, salespeople, first of all, most salespeople are unorganized. They're all over the place. They're trying to handle multiple things and nothing happens because you can't do little bits of a lot and then expect to reach your goals. We're focused on production, agent attraction. We have action items under production, which means you have to have a designated call times to do X, Y, and Z. You have to agent attraction on the real estate side and the mortgage side. You gotta have a schedule, and you have to live by that schedule. There's nothing that can interrupt your schedule. Nothing. It's just like if you had a heart problem and you needed to see a heart doctor. This guy or this lady is so busy and she only has one appointment. You ain't gonna miss it. No matter what happens in your life, you're gonna make sure you got a heart problem that you're gonna have a flatline problem, right? So you're definitely gonna make that appointment. These are the type of appointments that you have to make with yourself if you're serious about getting the results that you want. Otherwise, I should do this, I should do that. Next thing you know, you shoulda, and you're out of the business and you're back in corporate America with four walls surrounding you, praying that your supervisor lets you off and go on a vacation for 1 week, and you got to rush back and oh my God, I'm gonna miss my plane, and I gotta explain this. And hey, can I go to lunch at 1 o'clock today versus 2 o'clock? Come on. So take this opportunity. If you think it's an opportunity, all you have to do is believe, get trained up, decide, go burn your boat, and get all the way in the water. And then execute, take massive action. And then whatever you don't know, reach out for help. You got a whole bunch of people here with knowledge that it's probably hundreds of years worth of knowledge if we combined it all into our Slack channel. Thank God. Slack's the best thing on sliced bread. And we can share our knowledge. You're not out here by yourself. And if you're acting like you're out here by yourself, you're hurting yourself because we all want to help you. I did. Ashley's here, right? I did a 3-way call for Ashley and got a high-powered guy into our organization. Ashley's not in my organization. I don't make one dime, not 1 cent do I get by helping Ashley, right? But she's with us, and if I was available, and I helped her, and now the guy's about to bring over a whole brokerage with a bunch of agents, right? But that's how we're all here. We're givers. So if you're having problems in your business, there's no reason for you to have problems in your business because we have all the answers. All you have to do is get trained up, become a skillionaire, decide that you're going to be all in and stop playing around, pick up the phone, and then 3, take massive action.